I hope you are having a good day. Okay, I hope you had a good trading week. I just want to go over a trade I took on EJ this week. Go over my thought process of the trades and just a quick recap. So, right here is the before. Okay, so you can see. Uh, I knew from last week that. Sorry, guys, I have to flip between the live chat and the image. So from last week, I already knew that we could see quick sell a selling move this week, following the way last week candle closed, rejecting 161 or 2500 and closing as a seller's candle. Now on the daily, as you can see, I we had Monday here. Monday candle, you can see it came into 160.625 area, okay, and then we retraced, which was basically this 4 hour retracement from what we can see here. We pulled back. So on this pullback now, if you look at the structure here on the 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see that we had a lower low, lower high. Okay, and so that was more or less what I was looking for. I knew that we could see a sell off, so I dropped my fib from 100% here, one straight move. Okay, and we can see the retracement. So during the course of the day, the market was what I was looking for on this pair was basically a break of support on the lower time frames, especially the 30 minutes. The reason I use the 30 minutes because when the market is making a 4 hour retracement, that's a 4 hour structural retracement. I like using the 30 minutes because it more or less gives you a better area, okay, for entry. So right here, this was the first attempt at a position, but this was when the market closed on Monday, as you can see. So we had the break of support around here, but I was more or less waiting for price to close below 161,250 and then retest. So we did see that close below 161,250 around I think the daily candle closure on Monday. So I was more or less waiting for a retest for that move to the downside, but eventually the market continued, which more or less showed me that the trend, the retracement is still in vogue, is still trying to push to the upside. And again, the next area I wanted to go short was around here. Okay, so the reason I didn't sell short here was one, we are not at a key area yet. Okay, seeing I was looking at price coming into this support area of 161.875. So seeing price break support around here, I was more or less still waiting for price to trade into the region, seeing that okay, we now had a new low. So we could see a lower like a double top pattern at this area. Or I would have just waited for price to trade back below 161,250 before I enter the position. But eventually, the market still pushed back and gave me this entry right here at 161,875 support area, which was right here. Okay, as you can see, and I had my target at this low on the 4 hour time frame, okay, which was the beginning of the retracement right here. As you can see, the key level there we had 160.625. Let me just use this picture here. So I had 160.625 right there, which was more or less my target for this pair, and was still a nice amount of pips. Okay, 119 pips for on this position. So you can see the market pushed to the downside and more or less hit the target. I think yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And this was exactly when it hit the target. Because me, I like using a set and forget type of stop loss management. So I set the trade, put my take profit, put my stop loss, and just allow the trade move. Yeah, guys. So that's just a quick trade recap on the trade I took this week on EJ. And I think I sent out the analysis very early in the week, so you can go and watch that video to learn more about what I was more or less looking at the time. Okay, it's currently Friday, and I really don't take positions on Friday. I will just probably just review the week. Okay, review the week with my students, people in the community, see where they went wrong, see how they can improve. Yeah, that's just what I do on Fridays basically. So I was more or less looking at for a trade here on GBP USD, but we came into this region, we didn't quite see a clear entry opportunity. Okay, let me just go over what I was looking at. So, but this was the analysis I sent out last on, I think, the last video. This was the analysis I sent out, and this was the analysis I sent out. And why I didn't take this position was because right here we had this 1 hour area of resistance that had to be broken for us to sell to the downside. But during the course of the new trading day, okay, we had the 30 minutes break structure. As you can see, this is when the market closed for the day. So I was more or less waiting for price to maybe push back and then continue following that 1 hour area. Okay, but it didn't play out like that, and I really didn't enter this trade because it's against the system. So that's just it. Following your system with discipline, guys. So I really haven't. It's currently Friday. Like I said, I don't look to trade on Fridays. I just want to manage, more or less go over the week with people in the community and my students and see how they are going on and see how we can improve for the next week. Make some withdrawals, go out, have fun, and just try and let loose for the weekend, guys. Don't allow your trading week affect your weekends. That's something I learned quite late. Or that's something I learned eventually when I started trading. That even if you had a bad week, you still have you. Even if you had a bad week in the market, that doesn't mean your life or any other aspect of your life is bad. You just have to go out and take yourself away from the market, have fun, and you see when you come back to the market, you will be sharper, clearer, and ready to trade again. So, guys, that's the video for the week. Have a very good weekend. Rena, follow, subscribe, follow us on TradingView. I drop daily analysis, just like the one on EJ. You can sign if you want to join our community. You can send me an email, and yeah, have a good trading. Have a good weekend, guys.